is warm, right? We just convince ourselves. It sure is magical though. Look at this. Okay, we got orange and duck meat risotto. And a classic carbonara. Look at it coming down. Be careful not to slip. This pregnant woman can't fall.
Be careful, aka to myself.
Only this psychopath wants ice cream when it's -5 degrees out.
So good.
At least we can sit inside. We don't have to walk the streets with it. Oh, I want a hot cocoa, not a gelato.
Wonderland Prague here.
Good morning, snowy Prague. That is so unique.
Prague.
I love the snow on all the roofs. It looks so magical.
Amazing.
Sir, you better not.
So, am I allowed to throw snowballs at pregnant women?
No, you're definitely not. You can throw it on the ground if you'd like.
Felt worth it.
I know, I was gonna say, on full display.
Wherever. What it meant is that many human rights and freedoms were heavily stepped on, especially freedom of speech. First main reason was that it was in the ownership of foreign embassy. Therefore, communist government of Czechoslovakia couldn't do anything about it. And, the most popular one during its creation, I think the most interesting one is up against this St. Vitus Cathedral, the big church up at Prague Castle. One is of course Prague Castle that I was talking about. You're supposed to have like this foresight, some other man aside from the king. But they wanted to get more recognized. It wasn't as easy as it might be. Very majestic.
We are freezing our butts off on the way to dinner. I said, I'll walk if you feed me pizza. How cold is it? Like, what is the temperature? Is it like 20?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Full
It's
wind.
cold, but it is so beautiful. Gluten-free beer. Apparently you gotta drink one and check. Does it taste like a normal beer?
Tastes like a normal beer.
It might be the same as the other place, right? No?
It's different.
All right, our final morning, our final day. We leave nice and early tomorrow. So, we gotta see Prague,
Gotta get the last thing shipped off.
the last of our European adventure in, while trying to stay warm.
Serious pass ups.
Here, there are two sides. Okay, babe, you got some Prada over there.
Oh yeah, you know me.
You're in your Prada.
But you are-
Apparently I.
You're hot. This is so cool.
Yeah.
Like even this residential area is still so pretty.
We came out for gluten-free Czech food. Feels like we're in a much less touristy, more residential area. All the locals, babe. The first customers of the day, right as they open. Entirely gluten-free, traditional Czech food. We're gonna have to ask what we gotta get. All right, we were recommended this. It's pork tenderloin, right?
Yeah.
With potato pancakes. I forget what they're called in Czech, but
But yum.
yum. All right, we got 2 minutes.
2 minutes, 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Oh my gosh. Look at the skeleton. Oh my gosh, that is insane. Did you just become a fan of whatever team that is? So unfortunately, we just missed the Christmas markets in Prague. I think they might open tomorrow when we leave. They're getting set up, and I'm sure this is magical. And our 12 magical days in this European winter wonderland have come to a close. This trip was a celebration of my 30th birthday, my graduation from nutritional therapy school, our 7th wedding anniversary, and of course, this miracle baby we got to bring with us. I'm so thankful for the time away to adventure and dream together as we prepare for this next chapter of our lives. Traveling to new cities always helps me see the magic in everyday life, and I just pray we continue to look for it in every season ahead of us. Thanks for joining us, and Merry Christmas, y'all.